the previous lecture, we have already discussed the difference between depreciation, depletion, and amortization. Today, we will focus on how to choose the depreciation method. Which depreciation method is the best one? I am Dr. Safdar Husain Tahir, postdoc UWA Business School, the University of Western Australia. Associate Professor, Lalpur Business School, Government College, University, Faisalabad. Certainly, we have different types of the depreciation methods called straight line depreciation, declining balance method, unit of production, sum of the year digit, and modified accelerated cost recovery system. The best method of depreciation calculation is one which matched with the usage of capital asset. Certainly, we know that the capital assets are purchased in intention to use in the business, not for the sale in a market. More the usage of the capital asset, more the expense, or vice versa. For example, we purchase a bottle of Pepsi and pay 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. Is it cost or is it expense? Certainly it is cost. It is not expense because bottle is in your hand. When you use that bottle, it becomes expense. You take the first sip, some cost becomes expense. You take the second sip, yet another cost becomes expense. And you take the last sip, and all bottles and all costs converted into expense. If you take the equal sips, then it becomes a straight line depreciation where the cost is spread evenly over time. If you take the big sip first and gradually smaller sips resemble the double declining balance method where depreciation is higher in the earlier period and decrease over time. How to choose the best method? Certainly, it depends upon the nature of the assets, financial goals, and regulatory requirements. And one can say that the best method of the depreciation maybe is a unit of production. In conclusion, there is no one size fit for all approaches. The choice depends on aligning the depreciation method with the financial and operational realities of the business. Which is the best method? Certainly, the method which saves the tax of the company and increase its value. The best method matched with the usage of the assets. But we practically want to increase the value of the company, so the method which suit to increase the value of the company and saves tax, one can say is the best method of that company. Thank you so much for your watching this video. Keep watching please. Thank you so much.